Hello and welcome to a new episode of the Gourmet Bawarchi. Art, culture, trade, and beautiful food. Italian cuisine has been continually evolving and changing with the drastic cultural changes its region has faced. Introducing spices and vegetables from the Asian subcontinent after trade, coupled with the top quality seasonal and regional ingredients of its land, gave Italian cuisine its rich and exuberant flavors. Bordering countries like France and Austria, and the diverse habitat from ice-clad mountains of the north to the vast seas in the south brought immense regional diversity and elegance to Italian cuisine. In today's episode, I'm going to be making butter chicken lasagna roll-ups. This is going to be a lip-smacking combination between an age-old Italian dish that originated in Naples and the creamy, tender butter chicken, which is a Punjabi favorite. So hopefully these two dishes are a match made in heaven. So let's get started. For the first step, we are going to be marinating some chicken thighs that I've cut into strips. Then I'm going to add some thick yogurt, some chili powder, and some salt. Once this is mixed thoroughly, your marination should look something like this. So we're going to start with the butter chicken sauce. We're going to be sauteing the onions, tomatoes, and the green chilies. So let's start by adding some oil. Now it's very important to add oil first and then add the butter. If you add the butter first, you'll end up burning your sauce very soon. So let's start by adding the onions. Now the key to making the sauce right now is not browning the onions, but just cooking it. So the sauteing of the onions will take about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt. This is going to speed up the sauteing process, and it should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Now that the onions have become slightly translucent, we'll be adding the tomatoes, the green chilies, as well as the cashews, and about 1 cup of water. Now this process will take at least 15 to 20 minutes until the tomatoes have disintegrated. Once the sauce is ready and the tomatoes have nicely disintegrated, the mixture should look something like this. Now let's take it out onto a plate. And let this cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. For the next step, we are going to be grilling the chicken that we had marinated earlier. Just take some oil and drizzle it lightly and put the chicken pieces, making sure that you space them out evenly. This will ensure that the chicken gets a nice char. For the next step, I've preheated the oven to 180 and I'm going to be grilling the chicken. Now that our onion and tomato masala has cooled down, we'll proceed to pureeing it. Once the mixture is pureed, it should look something like this. Our chicken is now grilled and it should look nice and tender. For the next step, let's proceed to finishing off our sauce. So we'll be heating up some oil and butter. and adding the ginger garlic paste. So the ginger garlic paste will be sauteed for about 1 to 2 minutes until the rawness is gone. Now that the ginger garlic paste is nicely sauteed, it's time to add the powdered masalas. That's garam masala, some coriander powder, some Kashmiri chili powder for deep red color, and some turmeric. And finally, some kasuri methi, which I will crush and add. The aromas coming out are just amazing. Now let's add the onion and tomato mixture. Followed by some tomato puree. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes until it comes to a boil. Now that the tomato puree and the gravy is nicely combined, we are going to finish off with some cream. Combine the cream nicely and bring it to a simmer. Once this is done, we'll add the chicken that we grilled earlier. Now that the butter chicken is ready, it's time to take it out in a bowl. Okay, the next step, we're going to be boiling the lasagna sheets. So I've got some water to boil and adding some salt. Add 2 to 3 at a time. And the key is to just parboil it, not completely boil it, so that it's easy for us to handle it when we're going to be rolling it. Now that our lasagna sheets are parboiled, it should look something like this. After that, you proceed to putting it on your work surface. Take a knife and cut it in half. Then take some of the chicken, place it right in the center. So I'll repeat that for the rest of the 3. Okay, now that we put the chicken onto the lasagna sheets, just take a peeler and slice some slivers of cheddar cheese, followed by some mozzarella cheese. The mozzarella cheese will give it a nice stretchiness. Spread it evenly, 1 or 2 slices on each, and then start rolling from one side. Don't roll it too tight or too loose. Lift it and place it. We'll take our lasagna roll-ups that we prepared on our dish and add the butter chicken sauce on top. Just make sure you cover all the spaces in between. Once the sauce is spread evenly, we start by adding some of the grated cheese. Our pan is now prepared to be put in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at a temperature of about 160 to 180 degrees. Now that our lasagna roll-ups have been baking for about 20 minutes, it seems to be ready. It's got a nice orange brown coloration to its cheese, and let's proceed to plating it. Now the benefit of having this rolled up is that it's easier to portion it out. As we can see, it's still in the cylinder and it causes less of a mess. Let's finally finish off with some finely chopped coriander. And what butter chicken is complete without more butter? So there you have it, the butter chicken lasagna roll-ups. Do give it a try and let me know how it turns out. See you next week in the next episode. Hey everybody, if you like our show, please drop us a like. If you dislike it, let us know in the comments. For a variety of daily and weekly shows, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can drop us a suggestion for our future recipes and get in touch for personal orders.